Korean Secret Rice Cream. Korean beauty secrets revealed for glass skin. Make rice cream at home. Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into one of the many wonders of Korean beauty, the secret rice cream. That's right, we're going to reveal how you can create this amazing skin smoothing treatment right at home. So, what is rice cream? It's a magical concoction that not only soothes irritated skin, but also brightens and smooths it. To create this wonder product, all you need is some rice. The process is quite simple. Just grind the rice with water until you get a smooth texture. Then, strain the mixture to remove any lumps and voila, your rice cream is ready. But wait, there's more. This cream can be turned into a real powerhouse by adding ingredients like green tea or calendula for an extra boost. Just remember to keep it in the fridge to maintain its freshness and effectiveness. So there you have it, folks. Try out this fantastic DIY skincare treatment and feel the glow on your face. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below and share this video with your friends who love beauty hacks as much as you do. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time.